Hi everyone, my name is Karen Peterson, and I decided to take part in the MSW online program, particularly because my undergrad degree is in education, and I always wanted to move forward to social work, but now was a good time because all of my children are gone. I work for myself, and this was work that I could do from home, where I could balance work life, home life, and school life in a way that didn't make it seem as much of a big sacrifice for my family, where I wasn't driving someplace a few nights a week away from my family. My husband and I have been looking forward to being empty nesters, so I still want to be able to spend quality time with him. The other part is that my history and background of serving women, children, and families has gone back 30 years. I have been a teacher, a foster parent, a case manager, a nonprofit owner, and currently I own KMP Doula Services, where I provide birth, postpartum, and lactation services to expectant families. And of course, throughout the past 30 years, I've seen a lot of varying circumstances. I've worked with a lot of different types of people. I've collaborated with different types of community-based organizations. And I think that this work is a natural progression to the work that I have been doing. And I'm looking forward to learning and growing from all of you, learning theory, pedagogy, and just practicum, and being able to extend my knowledge base around trauma, informed care, and offer these services to the communities, especially communities that are marginalized. So thank you for watching my video, and I look forward to meeting you all.